Hello to everyone. We are here to learn how to assign a paper, how to assign a document to a class so that every child should get the document, and how we can get the return from them from the ad work. Through that, if they are using pen and paper option to write down the answer, then also we can take the paper back. Okay. Now the first one which we are having is to give an assignment, to give the quiz through assignment. You have taken your papers through post, that we have already done, but instead of going from that, we can go from assignment also. So how to add assignment to the class through quiz and through assignment, both I am telling you. Okay, this is my general post. In the general, we are having this assignment. Those who are doing it on phone, please, after the post file, you are having more option. So in that more, you are having the assignment. To open that assignment, now once you open the assignment, you will get all these. See, you can see here many assignments. These are what which I have already assigned. Okay, you have to assign a new one, so you will assign it from here. Create. You are going for assignment. Okay, now here on the assignment, we will go for it. Now here, what is the thing which I am going to give? Suppose it is a activity. Okay, it's an activity. Okay, now if you want to give any instruction that you have to do it on a chart paper or something, suppose I want that the child should make this thing on a chart paper, so I can write it here. Okay, and now what are the question that is in my file? So I will add it by this add resource. Click on this add resource. Here we are getting an option to upload from the device. So I will upload from the device. Once you click on the upload, you will get your open window. So now you can share your document whichever you want to share. You have written it in a PDF or whichever form you have written it, you can upload it from here. Suppose this is my file. Okay, open. Now it's uploaded. See, you can see it, it's uploaded and done. So it is the question which is being uploaded. That's not on the screen, that's not on the form. You can make it in PDF, you can make it in Word, wherever you want you can make it. Better is PDF because there is no option of editing, so better is always PDF. Now here you can add points. For example, my activity is of 20 points. Okay, I can add my points. Okay, if you want to give a thing that you want to grade your child or you want to write excellent and all this, you can go for this option. You can go for this option. Here is the option. Here I have already prepared a result. If you want to prepare a result according to that, you can prefer it. How I have done, suppose I have given 20 marks. So who have done the best one, so I will give 20 marks to them. And if I am not giving the 20 marks, then also I am having a choice. See here. When you click on it, it is there. What is the result as per activity? I have given the title. If you want any description, you can write it. Here is excellent, good, fair, poor. So I have given 4 marks for the poor, 8 marks for fair, then 16 for good and 20 for excellent. And if you want to write some comment, you can write it. If you want the marks, you can add it. If you don't want to write the marks, you can close this option. See, the points are removed. Okay, so if you don't want, it is okay. If you want, you can have it. Okay, attach it. I said attach it, so this will be automatically attached to my format. Now here is my class. My class name is here already. All the students can get the assignment. Now here is the option that don't assign to the students, add it to the team after that. Please change this thing, because if any child joins the team late or something like that, then also that child will get. So assignment assigned to all the students added to the GIST children in future also. So just select this option. Now after this, if you want that all the students should not do this paper, only some students have to do the paper, you can select the names here. If I select the name, only that child will get the assignment, all the children will not get the assignment. So I can do that thing also, but as we don't have to do all that thing, because we have to give to all the children, so you can give it to all the children. You have to write all the students. Now here is the thing, when to assign and when to do. Please see this thing carefully. Here we have 3 dates. One is schedule date. Schedule date means when you want to give this assignment. Suppose tomorrow morning you want to give it. So okay, 17. What are the time you want to choose? You can choose it. Suppose I said that before I join my class, the student should get the class. So I said 8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. it will be delivered to the children. As you all have seen, the papers are delivered, posted. In the same way, this will be also posted. But please make it sure this will be open also. Okay, this will be open to the children. It is not like that form page you are having a setting of the time and the form will not open even if you post it. But here it is not like that. We don't have any setting in our PDF. We are having this thing only. So it is only for homework work. So on the time also you can post, and if you want to post it before, you can post it. Why I want to post it before? So that as I enter my class, my children will be ready with all the questions. So I don't have to waste the time to open it and all this. Now due date. Due date means when you want the return, when you want the answers to be submitted. So you can give 2 days. Suppose you have given 2 days, 19. Okay, now this close date. Please, I prefer that you don't put it, because we all know that we all are having latecomers. So this is what, if you put on this tick, that means after this the form will not open, the assignment will not open for anyone, and date will not work. So that's why I am saying don't put this thing. But if you really want to strict onto the children that today is the 19 is the last date, so then make it sure. Okay, 19. If you want, okay, after the late date also 1 week I have given, so you can change this date. But 90% we are having due date and close date same, so that we don't entertain late coming. Okay, if you give this time, that means we are entertaining the late comers. Although I know teachers have to entertain it, but still it's your choice. So I have given this. Now I'm changing this date to today's date so that I can show you today itself. Okay, I'm writing 5:46 p.m. Okay, done. Okay, it is scheduled automatically after 2 minutes, because it's 44, I have written 46. It will be posted onto my class at 36. Okay, you can assign it 1 week before, no problem. Nothing has been having any problem. Okay, now other than this, any changes in the setting of the posting, you want to post it somewhere else, or you want to post it in general. If you are having a this one channel, then you can change it. We don't have, so we are not using it. If you are having a private channel, then you can use it in channel itself. You don't have to post it in the whole class. So you can do it if you want to do it like that. Now finally schedule it. Now I have scheduled it. But now see, this is turned in, this is turned in, this is turned in. This is scheduled and this is turned in. Now why this is turned in? Because my date is still there. It is 19th August. So it is, see, you can see the notification. I have got the assignment. Now I can see it in the general. See, I will show you. See, here is my assignment. Okay, it is my previous assignment and it is my current assignment which I have posted. So now click on this. You can see the view. Now see, in my team I am having 3 children, so I have added to them. Only that 3 children have been given the assignment. Now how the students can see it? Students will see it like this. Okay, now I want to show you that how you will give the result. Okay, I cannot show you on this one because not even a single student had responded back. I will show you on the different one. On this I have got the response, so I will show you on this one. This one. How it turns back or how it comes like that, I will show you. See, this child's assignment is Excel sheet. They have posted me the Excel sheet and my Excel sheet is open here only. Dekho. I don't have to go anywhere. In my team itself I will get it. Now if I want to see the another child who has posted me, one more child has posted me. See, now this image is very clear, I think so you can see this. This is this is an image taken by this one Acrobat photo scanner, which I have sent you the link. This is being taken by that link itself, and when you add this thing into the work, it automatically comes to you. Okay, now I think this is okay how to do that. Now one more thing, Achha, here also I don't have points. I will show you once again a question with points. Just 1 minute, I will show you some other question where I am having a point. Okay, this is a form, so I cannot give you the thing. I will show you in this itself the homework which I have given you. See, when I turn in, I am getting here no points. This is because I don't have given any points. I will edit this assignment for you. If you once have forgot that thing, you can edit it also. See, I am editing the previous one which I have already given to the students, no problem. I want to give a point because I forgot at that time that I am not given the point. Okay, and my add rubrics. Add rubric means you have to add a scenario of writing. What do you want to add? That is your choice. If you don't want to add, don't add it. No problem in that. Now update it. Now I will get, see, you are getting a point here. Now this you have to do it manually, but I have seen this. Okay, and now when I have seen this, I have given a point here. Okay, suppose I have given him 19. Okay, he is getting 19, and here I can select any of the aerobics point whichever I want to give to the child. I want to give it to the child. Okay, done. The child has been given as excellent and the feedback is also given to them. Okay, so in this way I can go for an option that I can give a point and all this. I hope this is clear to all of you. So I think now it is clear how to give an assignment, okay, and how to give a marks in the assignment and all this.